How to fix your network provider may charge for SMS messages used to activate FaceTime and iMessage. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. You are getting this kind of pop-up as you have checked in for the number instead of the email address. So what you have to do is scroll down, head towards the messages option, open it. Now click on this option of send and receive. Over here you will find the option of use your Apple ID for iMessage. Click on that option. Click on sign in. Now here you will get two sections. You can receive iMessages to and reply from and start your conversation from. For both these sections, check in for the option of email address and then head back. Go to the main page of settings, open the option FaceTime. For the FaceTime as well, click on this option, use your Apple ID for FaceTime. Click on sign in. Now check in for your email address for both these sections, and with that you will be good to go. So this is how you can fix your network provider may charge for SMS messages used to activate FaceTime and iMessage error. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.